Welcome to Word Empower. Here, we bring you meaningful information and inspiration for a fulfilling life. Have you ever felt completely lost after a major life change? That's exactly where Jessica Miller found herself. At 42, living in Austin, Texas, and working a regular office job as a single mom, Jessica's world had just turned upside down after her divorce. Nights felt endless, filled with insomnia and tears, and days dragged on with no real motivation or joy. Everything began to shift one ordinary evening as Jessica, exhausted and scrolling mindlessly through YouTube, came across a simple video about roasting vegetables. Something about it spoke to her, a reminder that even small acts can nurture us. She decided, right then and there, to cook a meal just for herself. Her first dinner was hardly impressive: steamed broccoli, scrambled eggs, a quick bowl of soup. She laughed at her awkward plating and rookie mistakes, but for the first time in a long while felt a tiny thrill from taking care of herself. It sparked a new routine, and she committed to trying a new recipe every day: chicken soup, spaghetti, fresh salads. Most nights, she burned at least one dish or oversalted another, but she kept going. Within a month, Jessica's tiny kitchen had transformed into her sanctuary. She saved up for a decent set of knives and a few cookbooks, joined cooking groups on Facebook, and dove into easy recipe videos. The repetitive motions, chopping veggies, seasoning, stirring, became a quiet meditation, allowing her to escape painful memories and focus on the present. The fragrance of home-cooked meals filled her apartment, slowly replacing the heaviness in her heart. Jessica began to share photos of her creations online. Encouraging comments and recipe ideas came in from friends and coworkers, giving her a sense of connection. On weekends, she and her daughter cooked together, laughing, making healthy oats or fruit smoothies, and turning meals into small celebrations. Her kitchen joy started to ripple outwards. Jessica hosted cozy dinners for friends and, once, volunteered to cook for a children's class at a local charity. With every meal, she healed a little more. Inspired, Jessica launched a YouTube channel. At first, all she had was an old phone and the dim light of her little kitchen. Her first video, quick fried rice for busy single moms, racked up just 50 views. But even that tiny milestone felt like a victory. Week by week, as she posted new recipes, viewers tuned in. They shared their struggles, asked questions, and became a new circle of support. By the end of her first year, Jessica's community had grown to over 5,000 subscribers. Jessica learned a powerful truth in the process: you don't need a big kitchen or a perfect life to nurture yourself and those you love. Sometimes, real healing starts with one simple, good thing you do for yourself. For Jessica, that was cooking. So, if you're feeling stuck or low, take one small step today. Maybe it's cooking a simple meal. Maybe it's something else. A small kitchen can nurture a big heart. Jessica says, it's not just about making food, it's about healing, hope, and finding daily joy again. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to support the channel.